The check engine light is one of the most important warning systems in your vehicle. Understanding what it means and how to respond can save you time, money, and prevent serious engine damage. The check engine light indicates an issue with your vehicle's engine, emission system, or other critical components. This warning system is designed to alert you when something needs attention. There are two main types of check engine light warnings. A steady light indicates a non-critical problem that should be addressed soon, while a flashing light signals a severe issue requiring immediate attention. Modern vehicles use advanced onboard diagnostics, or OBD2 systems, for precise error detection and reporting. These systems have been standard in all vehicles since 1996 and provide detailed diagnostic information. When the check engine light appears, start by documenting any symptoms. Note when the light appears, driving conditions, and any changes in vehicle performance. This information will be valuable for diagnosis. Engine misfires are one of the most serious causes of a flashing check engine light. If you experience a flashing light along with rough idling, loss of power, or unusual engine sounds, stop driving immediately and seek professional help. Remember these key points. Document symptoms when the light appears, check for simple issues like a loose gas cap first, and never ignore a flashing check engine light. Understanding these basics will help you respond appropriately and protect your vehicle. To reset your check engine light, you'll need to follow a systematic 8-step process. Let's walk through each step to ensure you do this safely and effectively. First, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. This diagnostic tool connects to your vehicle's computer system and allows you to read and clear error codes. Next, locate the OBD2 port in your vehicle. It's typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side, as shown in this image. Connect your scanner to the OBD2 port. The connection should be firm and secure. Here's a close-up view of what the port looks like. Once connected, use your scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes, also known as DTCs. These codes identify specific problems in your vehicle's systems. Research these codes to understand what problems they indicate. Each code corresponds to a specific issue that needs to be addressed before resetting the light. This is the most important step. Fix the actual problem causing the codes. Simply clearing codes without addressing the root cause will result in the check engine light returning. After fixing the problem, use your scanner to clear the diagnostic codes and reset the check engine light. This step should only be done after repairs are complete. Finally, drive your vehicle through a complete drive cycle. This allows the vehicle's computer to verify that all systems are working properly and that the problem has been resolved. Modern OBD2 systems achieve over 95% accuracy in identifying emissions-related issues, making this process highly reliable when followed correctly.